spine surgeon. Regarding this patient, scoliosis patient, Ms. Ragapriya. Scoliosis is not a deadly disease which can be treated, and we had shown to the public and as well as the patient, and we want to gain confidence from the scoliotic people and come out of their guilt or come out of their home, that it can be treated and they can live a normal life. That is the point what we want to make here. After operating Ragapriya had started the ball rolling. So we want to give surgery treatment for the scoliosis kids in VHS hospital at a free of cost. Scoliosis surgery is really, it is a cost making surgery, and it is a bit a costly surgery, but it involves lots of implants in it. Tamil Nadu CM Health Insurance is supporting us partly, and we are supporting the kid from our side. I had taken the approval from the VHS administration, and they are also willing to support. ஸ்கோலியோசிஸ் கூண் விழுந்தது அப்படின்னா எல்லாரும் பயந்துட்டு வீட்டை விட்டு வெளியில் வராமல் பாப்பா அவ்வளோதான் வாழ்க்கை முடிஞ்சிச்சு. இது அழகுக்காக பண்ணக்கூடிய ஆப்ரேஷனே கிடையாது. பாப்பாவுக்கு ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணலைன்னா மூச்சு விடுறதுக்கு கஷ்டமாயிடும். பாப்பானால் அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லா குழந்தைங்க மாதிரி வாழ முடியாது. தன்னோட வாழ்க்கையில் 10-20 வருஷத்தை தொலைச்சிருவாங்க. அதை தடுத்து நிறுத்துறதுக்காக மட்டும்தான் இந்த ஆப்ரேஷன், அழகுபடுத்துறதுக்காக கிடையவே கிடையாது. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பாப்பாக்களுக்கு சர்ஜரி பண்ணுறது மட்டுமே தீர்வு கிடையாது. அவங்களுக்கு நம்ம பிரேஸ் போட்டு சரி பண்ணலாம். சீக்கிரம் கண்டுபிடிச்சா பிரேஸ் போட்டு சரி பண்ணலாம். லேட்டாக கண்டுபிடிச்சா சர்ஜரி பண்ணி சரி பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் கண்டிப்பாக சரி பண்ண முடியும். அதுதான் மெயினான பாயிண்ட். இந்த பாப்பாவுக்கு ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் VHS ஒத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டப்படுற குழந்தைங்களுக்கு உண்மையிலேயே சோஷியோ எக்கனாமிக் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் காசுக்காக இந்த சர்ஜரி தள்ளி போடுற மக்களுக்காக இலவசம் நம்ம பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு ஒத்துக்கிட்டு அந்த இலவசமாக பண்ணுற ப்ராஜெக்டை நம்ம ஸ்பைனல் கார்ட் டே செப்டம்பர் 5th நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோம். அன்னையிலேருந்து எந்த ஸ்கோலியோசிஸ் கிட்ஸ் நீங்கள் எங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னாலும் கூண் விழுந்திருக்குன்னு தோணுச்சுனாவே நீங்கள் VHSக்கு ரெஃபர் பண்ணலாம். ஃபுல் சப்போர்ட்டோட எந்த செலவும் இல்லாமல் நாங்கள் அவங்களுக்கு ட்ரீட் பண்ணி கொடுக்கறதுக்கு முடிவு பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
And director of our hospital, Dr. Vasudevan, head of the department neurosurgery, and my beloved brother and my close friend and guide, Dr. Lakshminarayan, head of the department of orthopedics, and our scoliosis warrior, heroine of the day, Ragapriya, and his father Srinivasan, and the ever smiling staff of VHS. I'd like to invite every one of you. Last but not the least, I would like to invite all the media people. Thank you for coming. Thanks for coming today. Regarding scoliosis, before going to that scoliosis, I would also to inform that I would like to thank my teachers from Park Clinic, Annamalai University, and St. Mark's Clinic. Because of them, I am here as a confident spine surgeon. And about scoliosis, about 5 million people are getting affected by scoliosis, as per the survey taken in the year of 2017 in India. Out of them, 60% of the people get not treated because they don't have the awareness of treatment, lack of confidence regarding the surgery. Because most of the people think that scoliosis treatment will be a disaster. They may get their kids paralytic, and they may get their kids paralytic till the end of their life. That's the reason 60% of the kids are not getting treated. But that is not the original scenario. That is the major reason. We have got a living example with us. In the first and second world countries, all the parents know and they identify the scoliotic kids and they treat them early. If we are identifying the scoliotic kids earlier, then we may not need surgery at all. Most of these kids go with only braces. If we are identifying it very, very late, then we may end up in surgery. But with the recent technology, the surgery is also not a major issue with them. Here we had done surgery. The surgery took almost 6 to 7 hours. With the support of my anesthetist, Dr. Silaman, with my team, with the infrastructure provided by the VHS hospital, we could easily finish the surgery without any complication. And the kid was walking on the second day. And we had got the infrastructure to operate with the neuromonitoring device. What does neuromonitoring means? I can monitor the activity of the spinal cord all through the surgery. So the kid can come out very easily without any complication. There is no chance of paralysis in it. Coming to the timing of the surgery, as I mentioned earlier, timing is the key. If the kids are identified very late, or if the kids are pushed towards surgery very late, then the results will be bit guarded, but it is not completely guarded. The results given by the doctor can't be the same if we are approaching the doctor much earlier. Regarding the kid Ragapriya, she had got completely two questions or two expectations with the surgery. The first expectation was she want a life ladder. அந்த பொண்ணு என்கிட்ட சர்ஜரிக்கு முன்னாடி கேட்டது ஒண்ணுதான், சார் நான் நிமிந்து படுத்து 1.5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு, 2 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. I think you would have all seen the images of the kid. நிமிந்து படுத்து 2 வருஷம் ஆச்சு, 10 மீட்டர் தாண்டி நடந்தா என்னால் மூச்சு வாங்க. இது ரெண்டு மட்டும்தான் பாப்பாவோட மேஜர் கம்ப்ளைண்டா இருந்துச்சு. Fortunately, with the help of VHS administration and the advanced technology, we could overcome that and we could make the kid as a normal kid. Now she is here. And unfortunate thing regarding the scoliosis is, the percentage between male and the female population, பசங்களுக்கும் பொண்ணுங்களுக்கும் எவ்வளவு percentage of scoliosis all over the world, the percentage is 3 female kids and 1 male kid. So female kids are more affected. Indiaவோட prevalence கேட்டிங்கன்னா prevalence ranges from 0.5% to 4.5%. So this is the percentage of scoliosis because of the fear and lack of awareness and lack of socio-economic status plays a major role, and it is a barrier for the treatment. Because of that, all these scoliosis kids are not treatment. Yes, scoliosis has become a poor man's disease in our country because most of the scoliosis kids are available or present in the middle and low socio-economic status. With the help of VHS, Ragapriya had started the ball to roll over, and we want to keep the face ahead. That's the reason we want to conduct scoliosis free camp, and the administration has accepted to bear the cost of implants for those surgeries for the needed kids who are in need. Because the bus which is missed today can't be cut at any point of time for those kids. So, I don't want to take much by giving the lecture. I would like to give a final touch to this point by telling there cannot be a better opportunity than this in treating scoliosis patients. There cannot be a better organization than VHS to support me in this endeavor. There cannot be a better team than this team in VHS to make my wish come true. And therefore, there cannot be a better day than today for all of you, my well-wishers here, to take us a resolution that wherever, whenever you see a scoliosis or kyphosis kid, that means with a hunchback or a bent spine, kindly refer to this great institution VHS. We will make them straight and we will give their life back to them, which is needed for all those and which is their mandatory right. Believe me, by doing this, you are not only doing good, you are always God after doing this. Thank you.